news before attacked the opposition. It attacked media. Today, it is attacking the sitting government. It was as bad, Representative, except the subject of the attacks today is the president. Dati kasi fake news protected the president. Mga vlogger po to supporting
And
Duterte.
that is precisely
Unang-una, Karen Davila, yung pinagsasabi mo fake news, kayo ang pinakamaraming fake news. Ano bang sinabi ni Lee Kuan Yew tungkol sa mainstream media ng Pilipinas noon? A widely partisan press helped Filipino
politicians to flood the marketplace of ideas with junk and confuse and befuddle the people so that they could not see what their vital interests were in a developing country.
Do you understand that, Karen Davila? Tatagalugin ko yung sinabi niya. Tinapunan nyo ng tinapunan ng basura ang consciousness ng mga tao. Kayo ang may kasalanan. Sisisihin mo kami. You have been disinforming the public for a very, very long time because ABS-CBN is corporate media. You are actually pushing for the corporate interest of the Lopezes na isa sa mga oligarko ng Pilipinas. And that is a historical fact. Huwag ka nang magmaang-maangan. What you are actually experiencing is competition. And right now, you cannot keep up. We grew up during the network wars noong 90s at ganyan din ginagawa nito ABS-CBN at GMA sa isa't isa noong panahon na yon. Sinisiraan yung isa't isa dahil gusto nyo makuha ito ng takumpayan. And that is exactly what you're doing right now. Sa tingin nyo ba, may amnesia kami, hindi namin alam pinagagawa ng isa't isa. Right now, sinong target ninyo? Ang target nyo ngayon, yung competition sa social media. Because we don't need millions in order to give the Filipino people, in order to convince them about what we're saying. We only have authenticity and moisture, and it's all organic. We don't need your fake lashes, fake makeup, and fake personality, Karen.